Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Geek. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to log out of Gmail on Android device. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. The only way to sign out of Gmail app is to remove your entire account from your mobile phone. When you remove an account, it removes the account from all apps on the device. And remember that when your account is removed, you won't be signed into any Google products like Maps or YouTube as well. Let's move on and log out of our Gmail app. On your Android device, tap Open Gmail application. At the top right corner, you'll see your profile picture. Give it a tap and tap on Manage Accounts on this device at the bottom. Choose your account and tap on Remove Account. Tap Remove Account from the pop-up, and just like that, you'll be logged out of Gmail on your Android. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.